May Steam Deck na ba lahat? Teka lang, may Steam Deck ka na eh. Clinic mo yung video ko eh. Anyways, congratulations sa'yo. And ngayon, we're gonna be talking about Dbrand KillSwitch Case with an SRP price of $59.95 hanggang $74.95. So, that's more than 5,000 pesos, including shipping papunta dito sa Philippines. So, sulit ba siya sa ating mga Pinoy gamers? Kung para lang sa case ha, premium yung price tag nito. Katulad siya nung yung case ng Nintendo Switch, yung Satisfy Grip. Mapapamura ka talaga pag nalaman mo yung presyo. And sa 5,000 pesos, actually makakabili ka na ng second hand na Nintendo Switch Lite. Oh well, so start na tayo sa unboxing. So, unboxing pa lang, mafe-feel mo na kaagad yung 5,000 pesos price tag na binayaran mo. Alam mo yung tipong mas social pa siya sa packaging ng Steam Deck. Pero, Dbrand naman ito eh. It's a well-known brand that specializes on cases and protective decals, pero sa decals talaga sila sumikat. Okay, so first, binati kagad tayo ni Killswitch Case, pero dito muna tayo sa sticker decal. Robocamo pala yung pinili ko para medyo contrasty yung color scheme, di ba? Parang black and white. You also get a free microfiber cloth, and if you need instructions on how to install the sticker decal at yung Killswitch Case, ayan, andyan yung website. Kitang-kita mo siya kaagad. So, tabi ko lang muna uli yung case ha. Grabe talaga yung pasuspense. So, bali, you'll get a pair of black analog grips and may makukuha ka rin na blue and orangey, pinkish na analog grips kasi I bought it with the travel kit which will cost you $74.95. Pero kung yung case lang talaga ang bibilin mo, $59.95 siya and you only get one pair of thumb grips. So, Ian, musta naman yung case? The case itself consists of two materials. Merong hard plastic, siya yung nasa likod. It also contains the magnets. Next is a rigid rubber material that retains the shape of the Steam Deck. So wala talaga akong ibang case na pwedeng i-compare dito kundi yung Satisfy Grip for the Nintendo Switch. That case is yung rubber material niya is tacky in nature. So yun yung magbibigay sa iyo ng grip. Itong Killswitch, bali it's the material plus the texture dots ang magbibigay sa inyo ng grip. So imagine mo na lang parang papel dilia pero made out of rubber. Once ma-install mo siya, oh man, your Steam Deck will feel like a tank. Para bang nag-merge or nag-combine yung dalawa and hindi makakalain na dalawang item yun. I mean, kung baguhan ka sa Steam Deck and first time mo makahawak, you might think that it comes with the console itself. So, mabigat ba siya? Actually, the case alone weighs 145 grams. So, kung nabibigatan ka na sa Steam Deck, mas lalo pa siyang bibigat. Pero ha, in all honesty, I have been using the Steam Deck for like 3 to 4 months already. And alam mo yun, nakasanayan ko na yung bigat niya. Pero when I started using the Killswitch case, alam mo yung parang hindi siya nadagdagan in a sense. Kasi yung 145 grams will be well distributed doon sa console. Pero mararamdaman mo siya after like 45 minutes of using the Steam Deck. Pero depende talaga yon sa strength ng iyong mga arms. Like before, matagal bago mangaling mga kamay ko. But with the Killswitch case, mas napapadali siya. And also na-observe ko lang pag sobrang tagal mo nang ginamit yung Killswitch and then tinanggal mo siya, and then ginamit mo lang yung Steam Deck without a case, actually feeling mo naka Nintendo Switch ka. I might be exaggerating, pero yeah, medyo ganun yung feeling. One thing that bothers me is without the case, you can effortlessly press the L1 and the R1 button. Pero with the case, actually gagawa ka pa ng additional step para ma-press yung button na yun, which is you need to lift your finger kasi nga yung rubber mold that surrounds the Steam Deck is, I don't know, kind of obstructing the way yung pupuntahan or dadaanan ng fingers mo to press those buttons. So, minsan naisip ko nga yung grip ko ba, pero hindi ka naman ganito maghahawak ng Steam Deck, diba? Dapat nakarelax lang yung kamay mo. So, it might not affect a lot of people, pero it does affect me. And with regards with the other buttons, all are accessible naman. Also, you might have an issue kung L-type yung USB dongle mo. And I've checked on other users and parang hindi mag-work yung official dock ng Steam Deck with the Killswitch. Kasi hindi aabot yung plug ng USB Type-C. However, I've tested it with a JSOX dock. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. And yeah, compatible naman siya. So yung in-order ko comes with the travel kit. So nagdagdag ako ng additional $15. So yung total payment ko is $74.95. So this is made out of a hard plastic and meron siyang compartment for your analog. So this is really good kasi it will protect your analog sticks plus your screen. Also, this is one of the main reason why I purchased the Killswitch case. Kasi alam naman natin napakamahal ng Steam Deck. I mean, SRP price pa lang niya $399 or around 25 to 26 including shipping papunta dito sa Philippines. And balita ko, available na daw ito sa Game 1 at Game Extreme. So, available na sa Philippines for 30,000 pesos. Pero kung iisipin mo, mas halos presyo na ng PS5 yun eh. So you would really take extra good care of your device. So dati, dinadala ko yung Steam Deck ko with the OEM case. The bad thing about it is yung Steam Deck talaga yung mabibitbit mo. Matatakot ka pang dalhin yung charger kasi baka malaglag siya kung ilalagay mo doon sa compartment sa ilalim ng case. Pero if you have the travel kit, oh my gosh, it's just so convenient. Ilagay mo na lang siya sa bag mo and you don't really need to worry na magasgasan yung screen or mabasag yung screen or madamage yung analog stick mo kasi everything is just, protected. And also medyo hassle din kung gagamitin mo yung OEM case. So let's say you unzip your bag, you remove the case, unzip mo din yung OEM case, tsaka mo lang makakuha yung Steam Deck mo. But with the travel case, kunin mo lang sa bag mo and remove the case, there, you can already start playing. And also, it just gives me peace of mind. I would really love to just put my Steam Deck console right there on my desk. Alam mo yung makikita ko siya. Not unlike before, na naked lang siya. Alam mo yun, walang protection. So, wala ka talagang choice kundi ilalagay mo siya doon sa OEM case. And most of the time, like personally me, I don't know with you, pero nasa sahig lang siya. And now the analog grips, this is like the best analog grips that I've ever used. I have tried a lot of brands. Okay naman sila pero this one just really exceeded my expectation. Kasi if you're gonna use the Steam Deck without an analog grip, actually madulas yung analog stick niya. So kailangan mo talaga ng kahit anong brand. Pero for me, this is the best that I've tried. And the best thing about it is magagamit mo pa rin yung gyro controls ng Steam Deck. So again, it's the best. It'll totally elevate your gaming experience. And if Dbrand makes this with other consoles, for sure they'll make tons of money out of it. So do it, Dbrand. And tip lang, when you're installing the case, kailangan mong iangat yung top part kasi kumakagat talaga siya doon sa case. So kailangan mong iangat kasi if not, baka mabakbak yung sticker decal mo. And also, if you made a sloppy job of installing those sticker decals, don't worry. Once you install the Killswitch case, actually matatakpan niya yung mga edges na yun. So it would appear as if it's perfect. Also, take note that Killswitch Gen 1, actually may issue siya sa mga older generation ng Steam Deck. Actually, yung mga naka-Delta fan, yun yung mga affected. And unfortunately, the only way to know kung naka-Delta fan ka is you need to open the back part of your Steam Deck. So, yung mga naka-Delta fan, kapag gumamit kayo ng magnetic kickstand, actually bumabagal yung takbo ng fan, which will actually compromise the health of your APUs. That's why Dbrand stopped the general release of Killswitch and ayun gumawa sila ng Gen 2 which does not use magnetic kickstand anymore. So sa mga gustong umorder ng Dbrand Killswitch, actually Gen 2 na yung marireceive nyo. Ito na yung mga walang issue with the fan. So kung anumang Steam Deck yung meron ka, it wouldn't have any effect kasi ayun wala nga siyang magnets. And the release date of this is going to be on January 2023. And good news din sa mga tulad kong umorder ng Gen 1, all of us will actually get a free replacement. Okay, so conclusion, so marirecommend mo ba to, Tito Ian? Actually, nagtry ako gumamit nung murang mga TPU cases for the Steam Deck and unfortunately, hindi siya sulit. It's just a waste of money kasi dumudulas siya. Kahit rubber yung material or TPU yung material, dumudulas siya. So the Killswitch is a premium case. It also comes with a premium price. If you don't mind the additional weight or yung premium price niya, napakasulit niya. Lalo na sa akin na napaka-clumsy. I mean, I don't know how many times I've dropped my phone. That's why yung phone ko here, I always use expensive cases kasi parati ko siyang nababagsak. And I don't want that to happen to my Steam Deck kasi mas napakamahal nito eh. And that's my review of the KillSwitch. And kung ako sa inyo, mag-pre-order na rin kayo nito. I'll be adding the link down on the description below. So again, this is Ian. I'll be seeing you on the next one.